Let's talk about zinc's influence over cortisol. Zinc is a trace mineral. I've done a lot of videos on it, but it has a huge influence over something called the HPA axis. Hypothalamus, which is in the brain, pituitary, and then we have adrenal. So we have this whole feedback loop going on. So the adrenals are controlled by the hypothalamus through the pituitary's help. And zinc supports this whole pathway. So when you take zinc, you actually have the ability to lower cortisol. Zinc also increases GABA, which is very calming. So when you take zinc, it calms you down. Here's another problem with lowered zinc. When you're low in zinc, you're automatically going to be a little bit higher in copper because they work together. When you have this ratio right here, it's not good because then you start getting copper toxicity or copper overload, and you get anxiety, depression, higher levels of cortisol, and it puts your body in a stress mode. So you're in flight or fight. The other point I want to make is if you have a hidden infection in your body, some people have chronic fatigue syndrome, or they have fibromyalgia, or they have some type of low-grade infection behind the scenes. They're under stress. They have this infection. They have inflammation in the joints, other places, in the throat. That is going to deplete a lot of your zinc, and it's going to raise your cortisol. So that has to be addressed. So if this situation is going on, you need to do some additional things like olive leaf extract, colloidal silver, oregano oil to handle the deeper source of the infection so your body doesn't have to utilize all this zinc. You can get zinc from shellfish, pumpkin seeds, Brazil nuts. So the point of this video is if you have some underlying stress situation, or you can't sleep and you're trying to do everything you can, you may want to also include zinc. Thanks for watching. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call, but I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.